me, Camila Rose, and I'm back for another video. This time we're going to be budgeting for our December Paycheck 2 budget. I know I actually might be on time. I'm not sure when this will go up. It should go up in the next week or so. I'm probably going to end up having like a full week of just budgeting videos just because I need to knock out some things. Like, I think I'll switch and do some of my goal videos inside of January, but I definitely want to get, I just did my paycheck stuffing for some old budgets. That'll go up on Wednesday. I'll have closeout Saturday. I'll have paycheck 2 on the next Wednesday. And then I'll have sinking funds. I'm just now getting the sinking funds, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fill up some of that next week with a bunch of budget videos, but that's okay because I won't be vlogging as much, so I'll have the space to do it. So y'all, we're winding down. We're getting ready to finish up for 2021. Ooh, I forgot what year it was. So let's go ahead and let's get into this budget video for December Paycheck 2. I'll see you all in just a second. Okay, so as y'all can see, here's all my lovely stuff from budget Paycheck 1, closed out, beautiful, delicious, we love it. All right, here is my budget for budget Paycheck 2, as you can see right here with my little notes. So we have envelopes set at 300, sinking funds. So we have a sinking funds stuffing video coming, which I'm gonna change my sinking funds, not for December, but for January. Because I'm like, oh, I need to put more money in certain places. Lawn service gets 70, which I'm like, oh, I hope I have the money to do that. 71 for AT&T. Geico gets 180. T-Mobile gets 181. Gym gets $11. I need to probably get rid of my gym membership. I don't know. I'll have to see. Netflix gets 16. Savings gets 167. House gets 100. Visa gets 150. I hope that's enough. NTTA, because no. December's already been paid. Oh, fantastic. Okay, yeah, that was enough. NTTA gets 80. Man, this is my Amazon Music. Is 80. And then, oh, not 80, it's $8. Sorry about that. $8.65. Okay, $8.65. And then my sister's B-Day. We put $100 aside for that. All right, I want to go through though and check. So I want to make sure I have everything that needed to be on there. Because that is the worst, y'all. You think that you have everything in your budget and then you miss something because your finances are changed or something weird happens, right? So let's just make sure. So we have we don't have electricity because electricity was at the beginning of the month. We switched that over. We had AT&T, yes. We have Geico, yes. T-Mobile, yes. Gym, Netflix. Business was in the first one. Savings, yes. House, Visa, yes. Extra in savings. It was supposed to be like $50, right? It was. Okay, hold on. Extra savings. Right? Oh, because Visa got 160. I got a little confused. Extra savings is 50. There we go. That is why we check, y'all. All right, so we checked that. We did the extra savings payment. Okay, we have house on there. We have Visa. We have extra savings. We have NTTA. Oh, we don't have giving. Where should giving have come out? Let me put giving on here and see how much this comes up to. Okay, Amazon Music we got. We don't have an invest, and we do have lawn already on there. So, okay, cool. Let's see how much this comes out to. I think this check was, yes, 1779. Okay. let's add this up and let's see what we get. Hopefully we'll have a extra money for giving. I can adjust something else as I need to. Okay, let's add these up. 300 plus 285 plus 70 plus 71 plus 180 plus 181 plus 11 plus 16 plus 167 plus 100 plus 160 plus 80 plus 8.65 plus 100 plus 50. Ooh, and in fact we were a little over. All right then, so what do we want to pull from? Let's pull from extra savings, and let's make that let's make that okay, so Amazon Music should be $9. So let's just make that $9. That'll fix that problem. Because I was like, ooh, I don't like that it's not even. So minus, so it's $1 taken from there. So we're already at 49, and then we want to do at least 5 for, actually let's do 40 or $9. That should equal all right. Let's see. 9, this would be 40. 40, let's do, oops, plus 9. Perfect, okay. And that gives us a total of 1779 with 0 left over. Yay! Okay, so I actually need to pull out a little bit more, but I have some monies that I can use for that because we need to pull out. Lord, let's see. Okay, we needed the 285 for sinking funds. We needed just 9 for giving. I have a little bit right here that I had that I was gonna deposit for something else, but I think I'll be able to get the 9 from there. Let me just get change from somewhere. If anybody has change. I think I might have some change right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, why don't I have a full? I just need some change, y'all. Where are we at? 8 minutes. Okay, not too bad. I'll worry about that in a moment so that I can go ahead and move, because I think I also want to go ahead and do, because it's so quick, my second paycheck, my second account, because I don't want that to lag and fill up another video. So Chase account. That was 1178. We have like 4 things in here. Car wash, which is 15. Car savings, which is 35, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. Let me look and see. There we go, yeah. Car, yeah, $35 for that. Annual gets 50. Cushion gets 5. And that leaves us with, and then we take out for mortgage, whatever's left. So let's figure that out. 1178 minus 15 minus 35 minus 50 minus 5 equals 1073, and that will give us our 1178, and that gives us 0. So I just pulled that out and put it into my other account. So this account is done. So now second account's done. I will go and pull out money so I can do my sinking funds and put my money in giving, and that will be it. That's it for our December. Oh my gosh, all of my December budgets are done. Yay. I need to get started on January because I don't want to be behind, y'all. So I really appreciate y'all watching. I really appreciate y'all hitting the subscribe button if this has been useful for you. We're gonna get it. It's gonna be a great year, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.